Previously on the channel.
What's going on? I should have used the filter one. And you wanted to match it with red. You gotta sing it with me. Here we go. Back to life, back to reality. I even need $7, $8 worth of gas. I really needed $5 worth. Dang, I'm balled out, bro. Sheesh. Hey man, anybody else just pull over to a pump instead of like getting off the bike? I used to have this bad habit of getting off the bike to do it, and then all of a sudden I was like, you know what, I probably can reach the pump from the bike. Alright, y'all wanna hear something crazy? In Vegas right now, they're going through like the weirdest gas thing ever. So they don't have gas truck drivers for Chevron and Terribles. So they don't have gas. And everybody is freaking panicking because they're like, oh my god, this is like the gas crisis of I don't know, I think it was 2016 when gas stations didn't have gas and people were literally running out of gas in front of the gas station. It was crazy because they was waiting too long. Okay, here we go. Yeah. Oh man. Caught up to this Kia fast as heck. I mean, what is up, my beautiful people? Crispy gang, how y'all doing? How y'all feeling? For me right now, it's Thursday. I feel like every Thursday I feel like energetic. Like I'm like, yeah, Thursday, get some of this. Alright, hopefully I'm getting good audio. Yeah, I hope so. I tried this new audio thing. It's like everybody has different rigs that really work, and then some people don't, and then yeah, I'm the some people that don't. So I'm really trying to be the person that does, you know? Go ahead and hit that like button for me. We're gonna get this vlog underway right now. Let me see, do I want to do controversial or do I want to do just something about Vegas? Okay, forget it. I'm gonna do something about Vegas because I fell up on a year out here, bro. A year in Vegas, in a place that I wasn't born, I wasn't raised. I have like what, 2 family members here, but you know, everybody's living life. They're doing their own thing, which is J Money and my cousin Calistro Beats, or Calistro Productions, or Calistro Photography. Like, you know, this guy, he does everything. But for the most part, it's just been me and my wife just dealing. Look at that icon, air flight helmet. I wonder, did y'all see that? Yeah, it's really cool. You know, air flight helmet is a great helmet. So Vegas and Bikelife, or Bikelife Vegas, or Vegas Bikelife, whatever you want to say, okay? It's something different. It's definitely not Atlanta. If I had to compare which was better, I'm definitely going to say Atlanta all day. I'm sorry, but Vegas just does not have that. It's like it's missing something. And I can't quite put my finger on what it's missing, but it's definitely missing something. So Thursday nights, they have bike night religiously. It's religiously. I mean, if it's raining, if sandstorms going, thunderstorms everywhere, they're gonna be out, okay? If it, you know, I'm not gonna compare it to. I'm just gonna give you straight details about, okay, Vegas. Now they do have some serious ego type deals out here, man. So yesterday I'm riding, and I put the video in. So I had the, you know, the Harley rider was basically like getting it. Like I don't hate what he did. I was just like, dang. I was kind of set back a little bit. Okay, a lot of people in Vegas, people in cars, they seem very, very ignorant to bikes. And in Atlanta, I knew it was a little bad, but it's not as bad as in Vegas, bro. Like, these people legitly Every person in a car legitly feel like they're on the road. Every person. This is no BS, okay? In Vegas, people get mad about splitting, and I'm sure in Atlanta it's the same deal, but it's not to the point where they're trying to kill you, okay? Vegas folks will try to run you over and be like, oh, it's because I was scared. I don't understand this state at all, bro. If you pull up to a bike thing, a bike event, nobody talks to you. Like, I'm not super anti, but I'm really quiet around people I don't know, right? So I went to, at this point, 2 bike events, both held by 2 different groups. All right, now I'm not saying all of Vegas is like this. I'm just giving my perspective on Vegas bike life. Yeah, so one of the groups was very inclusive, very, very, very inclusive. No matter what bike you was on, they were very in your face. Hi, how you doing? I'm blah blah blah. This is blah blah blah. Da 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 da. You like your bike? You know, where you from? Like, really tried to get to know you on a personal standard, on a personal level. And I kind of like that. Not everyone likes stuff like that, and I get that. Some people like to ride reckless. Some people like to be reckless. But it felt more like Atlanta. That's crazy, right? Because in Atlanta, damn, I didn't really want to compare these two. But in Atlanta, you go to the gas station, if you sit there for like 5 minutes, not even 5 minutes, 2 minutes, someone's gonna say something to you. They're gonna be like, hey bro, I like your bike, and then move on. You know what I'm saying? They even have a store that's just exclusively for bikers. It was just shout out to Motorstyle. I love y'all. I will always shout out Motorstyle. You are my heart, bro. Like, real talk, the family that I have at Motorstyle, they gonna last forever, bro, Anyway, here in Vegas, they don't have that, bro. They don't have that. I felt more excluded. What's up, my bro? I felt more excluded from the other group. To ride in Vegas, you definitely have to have some type of hardcoreness, because it's hot out here, bro. It's hot out here. People want to kill you. People from Vegas want to kill you. People from California want to kill you. So it's 2 groups of people here that don't like you. Believe it or not, the one state that allows lane splitting is why people really hate bikers. And I was like, damn, we can't even lane split over here in Vegas. It's 4 hours away. But it is what it is. You as a biker, you deal with that, right? And let's talk about the street. That's crazy that I had a Harley rider pull up on me while I was at the light. That's the 3rd time that has happened this week. There's more Harley riders out here and cruisers than sport bikes, dude. It's crazy. It's crazy. But going to the meets, I felt ostracized. I didn't feel like I fit, man. Like, I even tried to talk to a couple people, and it was like, nah, who are you? You're nobody. You know what I mean? And I was like, damn, I never really got that in Atlanta. Now, the first couple of times that I went to the gas station, I did just have, like, I guess pointless conversations where I was just talking to folks. And then I guess it made a transition into where it mattered. But I don't see that happening here because I don't have time to do all that stuff. All I got time for is YouTube, my job, and trying to make myself a better future, which is basically, I guess I could tell y'all, going back to school. That's the only time I got time for. I don't go to bike night, so I mean you can say that. But that I went to, like I said, I went to 2 bike meets, and I felt included. And I plan on riding with that group again, because it felt really good, man. It did. I didn't feel like I didn't belong, which I've never felt that way on a motorcycle before, but I really felt out of place at the second one, because everybody knew each other. And here it is, I'm the guy who's saying hello. I'm like a stranger. I'm letting people know. I'm telling people right then and there, like, hey, I'm new to the state. You know, I'm really trying to, you know, meet people. I met one other biker here, cool as hell. That's my guy, man. That is my guy. D-Money, that's my guy. I just feel like Vegas is just not the best bike life place ever. But I'm gonna make it the best place for me. I don't care if I gotta start my own riding group. Oh, and before I go, the streets in Vegas are trash. They're long stretches of no cars, don't get me wrong there, but the type of texture or whatever they use for the street, pure trash. I will never understand why these roads are just freaking bad like that, you know? It's the fact that, for me, it's got to be the fact that it's made from different material that I was like, yo, this is bad. This some real bad stuff. But all right, man. I mean, put your thoughts and comments down below. I love y'all. Nothing but love, peace and positivity in the world. Even if the bike life in Vegas is not what I hope it would be, it's cool. It's gonna take some getting used to. Like I said, I've been here a full year. Hopefully in the years to come, I can make some type of leeway, maybe make some friends. Who knows?